Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us understand JMeter Toolbar and menu options available in JMeter. This is called test plan, which will by default will be opened when you open the JMeter. This is the highest element in the test hierarchy. Let us say I will save it as I can save this test plan. Let us say I will call it as, let us say, test plan 1. We can use this option save button to save the test plan, and now select the uh, folder where you want to save the test plan and click on save. Right, this is save button and this is a new. It means you can open the new test plan. For example, if I click on this one, a new test plan got opened. Here you can see test plan 1 got closed. Now it is a test plan, it's a new test plan. And similarly, this one is for templates. If you want to create certain types of test plan, then you can use this template. For example, if you want to create a web test plan, you can use this. It is advanced web test plan. And also, if you want to use the recording, you can use this template. If you want to do recording, you can use this template. If you want to record with the think time, you can use this template. Like this, based on your requirement, there are various types of templates available. For example, if I select recording with think time and click on create, it will automatically add the necessary elements which are required for this type of recording. So it will add some of the default elements which will make your test plan creation easier, right? So, and similarly, here this is open. If you already have an existing test plan, if you want to open that, you can click on this one. And just now I have created the test plan, that one I can open now. Let us say I have created the test plan 1, I think. Yeah, test plan 1. I just select that, click on open. It will ask whether you want to save the currently open test plan. Do you wish to save before clearing the test plan? No, I will say no. And the previous test plan that we have saved got opened now. Similarly, this one is cut. So to illustrate this, let me add the uh, thread group, and let me also add the sampler HTTP request, and uh, let me add one more thread group. So for example, this one I can cut it from here, and I can select and I can paste it here. So now this request moved from this thread group to this thread group. Let us I call it as thread group 1, and I can call it as thread group 2. So it moved from thread group 1 to thread group 2. I just did a normal cut and paste. Similarly, you can copy this, select this element, click on copy, and select this element and click on right click and click on paste. It will copy paste the elements, right? Similarly, this is for paste. This one also you can use. For example, I can copy this and I select this and I can click on paste. It copied here, you can see. Similarly, this is for expanding all the elements in the test tree. For example, I can collapse everything like this. If I click on plus, everything will expand like this, right? This is toggle. It means uh, it will enable and disable the test plan or any other element. For example, you click, again click, right? If it is enabled, it will disable. If it is disabled, it will enable. That is a toggle option. It is run. Run means it will start the test run. And there is one more option, run. It is start, and it is start no pause. No pause means, for example, if you have a timer here, for example, if I add a timer, and start no pause means these timers will be ignored. All the timers will be ignored, and it will execute without any delay. Start means it will run this and it will again pause for this 300 millisecond, and it will run again next request, like that. So Here start no pause means all your timers delay applied using timers will be uh, ignored. For example, I will say here now https www.google.com. I can use this sample just for the testing purpose. https https I will call it as http request 1, http request 2, http request 3, right? And here timer I will apply, like let us say 10 second, 10,000 millisecond, right? So I can save this, and so I can add the listener here, view result tree. Now what will happen is, if I just play start, request 1, request 3 got executed now, and after 10 seconds it is executing this one. Means after request 3 there is a 10-second delay for request 1, right? After that the request 1 got executed. For example, if I remove this delay, I will make it as 0 0, right? Then I clear, I run again. See here, everything executed at a time, means immediately got executed without any 1 2 3, right? Now I will add again 10,000 millisecond, which is a 10-second delay. And this time what I will do is, instead of doing start, I will do start no pause. Now everything got executed without any delay, because start no pause means it will ignore all the timers, right? And now let me clear this and let me run again. Here immediately stop and shutdown button got enabled. Whenever it is running, these two buttons will be enabled, stop and shutdown. Stop means it will immediately stop, that is called immediate ending. Shutdown means end once current thread gets its execution completed. It means stop is abrupt ending, shutdown is graceful ending, right? So this one is clear. It will clear the current uh, listener result, right? It will clear this one. If I say, let me add one more listener here, uh, listener view result tree, right? Now let me run this again. uh, if I say clear, it will only clear the selected listener. For example, if I select clear now, so this result is still there, right? But clear all, it will clear all the listeners in the test plan. For example, I will clear this also and let me run. So now let it complete its execution. So request 3 completed. So we have given a timer here, so request 1 to also completed. See here, both the places there is a result, right? So now instead of using clear, I will use clear all. Everything got cleared at a one time, right? And this is search. You can search in a test plan using this option. You can give a search option here, what you want to search, and you can click on the search. This is a normal, and this one is reset the search, that is a normal resetting this search result. And this one is for function helper dialog. It means here various functions you can test. For example, here I can say counter and generate, so it will generate the function, right? You can get a syntax help, and you can see what are the parameters which you can pass to the function. And for example, I say int sum, what is the first argument 1, second argument 2, and what is the sum should be 3. Here 3 result is displayed. So you can get the various functions and its arguments, and you can get help from here, function helper dialog box. And this is general help. It will open the JMeter web page, JMeter official web page, wherein you can go through the manuals and you can get various details and all the user manuals, etc. Right. So these are all about the menu or toolbar options available in JMeter. Other than that, here if you go at the top, there is a file. You can open the new template and save the test plan and restart the JMeter. Like that, various options available, right? Again, about the JMeter, this various options you can see here as well: edit, search, and some of the options are available in this menu as well as in toolbar options. Here you can do a you can find plugin manager. We'll discuss these plugins, how to add and update and delete, we will discuss later. But this is option that we can use for managing the plugins, right? So log viewer, you can select this log viewer, it will show the logs here. And if you unselect this log viewer, it will disappear from here. Again, tools, you can see here various tools available like function helper dialog box, which is also available in the toolbar here. So generate the report as well, you can generate the HTML report. You just have to browse the file from here, the CSV file which contains the result, and output directory where you want to save the HTML report. Also user.properties file, you will find it in a JMeter bin folder, right? You click on generate the report, it will generate the HTML report in this directory, right? So again, help, this will again take to the JMeter official web store, right? So these are the various options, but if any option is required later, we will as and when it is necessary, we will get to know later. Thank you for watching.